Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve another problem of sliding window. So which one? So which problem we are going to solve? So the problem is 1456. That is the number of problem, and the statement is maximum number of the vowels in a string of the given length. Okay, so we need to find out maximum number of the vowel in a given substring of a given length. So like that, like if you have input like this as equals to a b c I d e f, so k equals to 3. The output is 3 because the substring I come here 3 times. Okay, so count of I equals to 3. Now this is the maximum number of the vowel in a substring. Okay, so 3. Here you can see 3 times. We have I 3 times here, and after that you s equals to a e I o u, k equals to 2, and output equals to 2. Any substring of the length to contain 2 vowel. Okay, check here. A v c I d e f. Any substring, oh sorry, a e I o u, any substring of length to contain 2 vowel. Okay, length of 2 vowel contain, length of 2 contain 2 vowels. LeetCode k equals to 3. So here output equals to 2. L E E E T and O D E contain 2 vowel. Okay, so this is our question, and now you can see here we can do it as an example. So there's a problem in a simple way. You are given a string and a number k. Okay, if you have a string, then you can solve it, and you also have number of k, I mean window number. So you want to find a substring of the length that has the maximum number of the vowels. Okay, so we can run here, like we have s equals to a b c I d e f k equals to 3. Okay, so first window we took a b c because k equals to 3, so we need to take 3 elements a b c, and vowel equals to 1 a. So here a equals to count of a equals to 1, so vowel equals to a 1. Which one? So count equals to 1 and maximum count equals to also 1. Okay, so again window vci. Okay, so we need next 3, and we need to remove first one, so we took bci. Okay, so vowel, uh, here in this we can see b and c is a consonant and I is the vowel. So count of 1, I is 1. So gonna count equals to 1 and maximum count equals to also 1. Okay, so now we can take CII. Okay, so here you can see two I's. Okay, it's mean count equals to 2 and maximum count also 2. And in window triple I, vowel 3 I mean it has 3 I's. So count equals to 3 and maximum count equals to 3. Here you can see, you can focus on my cursor. Okay, so count equals to 3 and maximum count equals to 3. Window iid, this is I think iid. Okay, so here you can see vowel equals to 2 because I appearing here 2 times. Window ide, vowel equals to 2. Okay, so ie equals to 2 vowel, so count is 2. So window def, so vowel 1. In DEF, E is the vowel only, so count 1. So answer is 3. So maximum count equals to 3. This one. Okay, I think you got it. So I need to write this. I need to write program for this. So this is our function. Now I need to create vowel vowel equals to set a I O U a I a E I O U. Okay, so after that we need to count it. So count equals to sum. Here we can see 4 C in 4 C in S. If C in vowel. So count equals to sum 1 4 C in S of from window 0 to K, I mean 0 to 3. So we need to check if they have one vowels in this line. Okay, in this line and from A E I. Okay, so I have already checked here this ABC vowel count 1. So count 1 or maximum count 1. Okay, so here you can check this in this way. So vowel equals to set, and these are the vowels, and count equals to sum. Okay, sum 1 4 C 1 4 C in S 0 to 3 if here 0 to 3 A E I. Okay, if C in vowels. So after that max count. Hmm. अरे यार. Okay, if here I got error because I missed an. Okay, guys. Okay, you can solve your error also because everybody can go through it. Okay, so I need to set that. So here I can also again explaining. So this is the class and this is our function, and I am going to pass parameter like string and integers. Okay, so I am going to define vowels equals to set because I don't want any duplicate value in vowels. So vowels equals to A I O U, as you know. So count equals to sum 1 4 C in S. Yes, yes. Okay, so 1 for C in S from 0 to K is C in vowels. Okay, here we can check how many counts first vowels has and match from this from this group. So maximum count equals to count, and we can print also by using this. Okay, so 4I in the range of K and length S. Okay, so length of S equals to this one and K equals to 3. So window equals to current substring of length K. Okay, so this is for window S, um, S I minus k plus 1 and I plus 1. Okay, so if si in vowels count increase by 1, if si I minus k in vowels count decrease by 1, so maximum count, max count, count. So you can print by using this, and final answer is this. So you can also use this. Okay guys, so in this you can see minus k plus 1 and I plus 1, add 1 and delete 1. This is for window. It's mean like I have I. Mm. Okay guys, you can do it. Okay, bye bye, take care, love you.